Grandpa, what are these tiny orange sticks? They look like little magic wands.
These are baby carrots, my dear.
Baby carrots? Like carrots for baby rabbits?
Not exactly, but rabbits do love them. Baby carrots are small carrots picked while they're still sweet and tender. Sometimes they're trimmed from big carrots to be just the right size for little hands like yours.
Oh, I think I've seen some at my friend's house. They had a bowl of baby carrots and hummus. I tried one, but I only nibbled a little.
Well, now's your chance to give them a proper try. Fresh ones are even sweeter. Go ahead, have a bite.
It's crunchy and sweet, like a crispy apple, but different.
Exactly. And carrots are full of vitamin A, which helps your eyes stay strong, especially when you're playing outside at dusk or reading in the evening.
So if I eat lots of carrots, I can spot fireflies even faster.
You just might. And carrots also have fiber to keep your tummy happy and energy to keep you running around.
I remember one time we made a carrot race. We rolled carrots down the kitchen floor. Mine rolled all the way to the door.
That sounds like so much fun. Maybe after our snack we can have a carrot rolling rematch.
Yay. Can we also make something yummy with them?
Absolutely. Your mom used to make a simple carrot salad. Freshly grated carrots, a little lemon juice, olive oil, and just a pinch of salt. It's sweet, fresh, and so easy. And if we have some extra carrots left, maybe we could even bake a carrot cake together. A soft, spiced cake with cinnamon, crunchy walnuts, and lots of grated carrots inside.
Ooh, carrot cake. That sounds amazing. How do we make it?
It's simple, my little chef. First, we stir some eggs and sugar together until it's nice and fluffy. Then we add a bit of flour, a sprinkle of cinnamon for that cozy smell, some chopped walnuts for a little crunch, and finally lots of grated carrots to make it sweet and moist. We mix it all gently, pop it in the oven, and soon the whole kitchen smells like a warm hug.
I can almost smell it already. Can we do that today?
Of course, first the salad, then the cake, and then the great carrot race.
The Wise Owl's Stories.